Hi guys, this is Valentin from BP Sewing Machine and Sharpening Services. I want to share with you that I have a new brand portable walking foot in a bag with the following descriptions. This is single needle, a special heavy duty motor, gear belts so no slipping when sewing and heavy materials, upholstery, drapery and hobby applications. It's built with light, includes foot control and wires. This machine has 7 inches of working space, but if you want with zigzag, it's available by order. Also, we have 9 inches working space in a zigzag and a straight stitch by order. I will show you a video of another portable walking foot exactly the same as this one, so you guys can see how it works. This is 2 layers. Now I will test on 4 layers. Very nice, right?